Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zahra. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet a beautiful table centerpiece that will add a touch of elegance and charm to any space. This pattern is simple, quick and perfect for decorating your home or gifting to someone special. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this centerpiece I am going to use a staple thread and a hook of 7.5 mm. I am going to double the thread as it is very thin thread. Make a slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot. Just make sure to work loose chains. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through to work total of 8 chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert the hook into the first chain and pull up the loop and pull through. You can see a hole in between. Now work chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now yarn over and work total of 17 double crochets including this chain 5, this chain 3 as a double crochet and chain 2 as a chain 2 space. Now work chain 2, 1 and 2 and again work double crochets. You have to work total of 17 double crochets with the chain 2 in between. Chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the and work chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the space, chain 2. In the same way work a stitch pattern of double crochet and a chain 2 and I will meet you at the end of the round. Now I have worked total of 17 double crochets with a chain 2 in between. Now work chain 2 and slip stitch into the chain 3. Now I am at the round 1. Now for the round 2, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and work a slip stitch. Now work chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and work a double crochet. Now again work chain 2, yarn over and work double crochets. Again chain 2, yarn over, work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Now chain 2, insert the hook into the next chain 2 space and work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Now chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and work 2 double crochets. Again work chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain 2 space. Keep going by working 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, chain 2 and again work 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space and I will meet you at the end of the round 2 at this point. Now I have reached the end. Chain 2, insert the hook into the chain 3 to end the round and work a slip stitch. Now you can see I am at the round 2. Now I am going to start my round 3. Now work. Now for the round 3, this is the important to notice that from this round I am going to skip this chain 3. Now insert the hook into the next double crochet, top of double crochet and work a slip stitch. Now you can see this chain 3 I skipped just, and now I am going to start my round 3. Work chain 3 as a first double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and work 2 double crochets into this chain 2 space. Now again work chain 2 as a chain 2 space. Now skip the first double crochet and work double crochet on the top of next double crochet after the skip stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and work 2 double crochets. Again work chain 2 and repeat the stitch pattern. Skip stitch and work double crochet on the top of double crochet and work 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space right after the double crochet. Now follow the same stitch pattern of chain 2, skip stitch, work double crochet on the top of double crochet, next double crochet after the skip stitch and work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space and I will meet you at the end of the round where we just started here. Now I am at the end of round 3, chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the chain 3 to end the round. At this point the pattern is not visible. The pattern is going to be visible at the end of round 5 a little bit, but at the end of round 22 you can see a clear and definite spiral pattern. Now again we will repeat the same stitch pattern, but the difference is that we have 2 stitches at the round 2 and 3 stitches at the round 3. Now for the round 4 we will have 4 stitches. Now insert the hook. We will increase in every round. Now insert the hook into the next stitch to work a slip stitch, as we have to skip this first double crochet as a skip stitch. Now chain 3 as a double crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook on the top of next double crochet and work a double crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and work 2 double crochets, as we are going to increase in every round. Now chain 2, skip stitch and work double crochet into the next on the top of next double crochet. Again work a double crochet on the top of next double crochet, yarn over and work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Now chain 2, work a skip stitch. This is going to be skipped. Yarn over, insert the hook on the top of next double crochet after the skip stitch and pull up the loop and work a double crochet. Now again yarn over, work a double crochet on the top of next double crochet and work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Now chain 2 and follow the same stitch pattern. Chain 2, skip stitch, work double crochet on the top of second double crochet on the top of third double crochet into the chain 2 space, and I will meet you at this point. Now I am at the end of round 4, chain 2, 1 and 2 and work a slip stitch into the chain 3. You can see by the end of round 7 I will not increase into the round 8, but I will increase in alternative rounds. If we increase in every round, and this will make a like this waves will be created. So but after 7 rounds, in 7 rounds we will increase in every round. By the end of 7th round I will stop, increase in the 8th round, in the 9th I will increase, in the 10th I will not increase. In the same way, I am going to show you, this is the final round. The remaining I will work behind the camera. Now for the round 5, work a slip stitch into the next stitch, as we are going to skip this chain 3 as a stitch. Now work chain 3, yarn over, insert the hook into the top on the top of double crochet and work a double crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch and work double crochet on the top of next double crochet. Now work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, chain 2, skip the first double crochet into the next double crochet, work double crochet into the next stitch, work double crochet again into the next stitch, work a double crochet again into the next stitch, work a double crochet. Now into the next chain 2 space, work 2 double crochets. I hope you get the pattern. Chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the next, after the skip stitch work a double crochet, now you can see a spiral is going to be created. You can see this is coming in this way and this will go in this way. I will make total of 22 rounds of this. After the 7th round, in the 8th round I will not increase, instead I will work only 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space, but in the 9th round I will again work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Into the 10th round I will work only 1 double crochet again. Into the 11th round I will work 2 double crochets. In the 12th round I will make 1 double crochet, and in the 13th round I will work again double crochets, and in the last 5 rounds I guess so, afterwards 18th round I will in every round. In the last 5 rounds I will increase in every round, and by the end of 22nd round it will became bigger in size like this, and the waves coming in this, and the wave you can see this is coming, this will adjust. In total 9th, 8th, 10th, 11th, 13th, in this round I will not increase, and except these rounds I will increase in every rounds. Okay, I will meet you by the end of 22nd round, and I will work chain 2 and slip stitch, and I'll show you the final result, how it turns out. Okay.
And there you have it, a beautiful table centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this lovely table centerpiece with me. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Crochet with Zahra, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I would love to see your finished product. Tag me on social media, #Crochet with Zahra, and share your beautiful creations with me. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.